Hi all, I have a great chess game sponsored by Kaspersky Security Company. It's between Magnus Carlsen and John Alexander-Arnold, so it's featured on TV last night. So helping to promote chess, I'm really happy when there's chess news stories on the TV and featuring Magnus Carlsen as well. So Magnus was playing against John Alexander-Arnold. So information from Wiki, English professional footballer who plays as a right back for the Premier League club Liverpool and the England national team. Liverpool is one of the most famous clubs. If you're into English football, it's been one of the most important clubs going. So Alexander-Arnold is an academy graduate of Liverpool and made his senior debut in 2016, age 18. He has since made over 50 appearances and won the club's Young Player of the Season award in 2017 and 2018. He represented England at all youth levels from under 16 to under 21 before making his senior debut in June 2018 and has since represented his nation at the 2018 FIFA World Cup. So apparently he's also an avid chess player, tries to get in a game of chess each week and finds it quite relaxing. Let's have a look at this game against Magnus Carlsen. So Magnus plays e4 and John Alexander plays d6. We have d4, knight f6, knight c3. Now bishop d7. This does kind of mean that e5 is possible. The more normal looking g6 as an example, we might have e5 here being punished because d takes, black can at least trade the queens. But Alexander blocked that possibility. He sort of made that possibility not possible now. So e5 is without that kind of downside. So the knight is actually having to go back to g8 now, which doesn't bode well. Sometimes it can be useful to provoke weaknesses, like f5 is slightly weakened, but white's getting a nice central pawn wedge now supported, and maybe this is not worth it at this point. Bishop e6, another highly provocative move. d5 could actually be played here. Magnus delays it actually. He plays knight f3, g6, and now plays d5, gaining space. And in fact, John Alexander-Arnold basically plays his first major mistake here. He played b6, yes, dropping that piece. The bishop should have really gone back here to say d7 or c8. And black could still potentially look forward to using the f5 square. However, we have b6, and really it's a bad state of play now after d takes e6. White's piece up. Now, for normal chess players, this is actually a losing position already. So f takes e6. We have knight g5 hitting the e6 pawn, and now d takes e6. Sorry, d takes e5 is played, but white can really punish this. Queen takes d8 check, puts the king where it can be forked with the rook. So knight f7 check, forking the king and the rook here. And the fork is one of the most important chess tactics you pick up if you're going to learn chess, which I hope many of you do watching this game video. You know, tactics are a very, very important part of the game. But tactically, yeah, Magnus is seemingly winning lots of material now, winning the rook now. Bishop g7, the game's really been decided. Knight comes back. You know, the bishop was attacking the knight, which was black's only kind of minor threat in the game. So now king c8, we have bishop c4 hitting e6, king d7, knight g5, coordinating pressure on that e6 pawn now. This is really a bad state of affairs for black. Knight c6, bishop takes e6 check, king d6, and now can you see the final move? If I give you 5 seconds to pause the video, what would you play here? So you might be very, very interested in picking up the game. I hope you can find the final move which Magnus Carlsen played, which actually finished the game here. So I'll let you see if you can find it. Okay. This knight from c goes to e4 check, and actually you can see that the black king has got no escape squares. That bishop's protected. If the king goes to d7, then the bishop is taking the king. If it goes to c5, then it can be taken there. d5, then it can be taken there. yeah, so this is a really bad state of affairs. It's checkmate. But anyway, it's a good promotion for the game, and many thanks again to the cybersecurity company Kaspersky Labs for offering Alexander-Arnold the opportunity to play the current world chess champion and help promote the game of chess a little bit more, I hope. And actually, it seems other fellow Liverpool players might actually be getting some chess insights. I believe there are a lot of parallels between chess and football. For example, goal hanging pawns, which called form pawns, I've been raving about, and so have you guys on the channel. So there are definitely football analogies, but there are other principles, all the way down, to just handling threats, space, gaining space, piece activity, piece coordination, the pieces as a kind of virtual team working together to attack parts of the board, which was demonstrated in this game. So anyway, I hope if you're interested in the game, check out a lot of the videos on this channel might help. There are some beginner videos on this channel you might want to find for the rules of chess, special moves like en passant, castling, etc. So a great game to take up, and it's great that chess has been featured on the news with football in such a high-profile way, involving Magnus Carlsen. So great stuff. Okay, comments, questions, likes, shares, appreciated. Thanks very much.